Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video we are diving into a powerful strategy that allows you to turn your Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards into cold hard cash. Whether you are looking to save on fees, making an investment, or simply make liquid funds, this video will walk you through the process step by step. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification. That way you don't miss out any of the future contents. And let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to liquidate your Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards. There are plenty of reasons, from taking advantage of cash discount to invest in opportunities that require liquid cash. However, before we jump in, it's crucial to have a solid plan in place. This is not a financial advice, but if you know what you are doing, this strategy can be a game changer. Now, not all Navy Federal credit cards are eligible for this method. The cards you can use include the Cash Rewards card, the Platinum card, Gold Reward cards, and the Flagship Reward card. Unfortunately, the more reward card, which is the one with the Amex ecosystem, doesn't work with this strategy. So if that is your only Navy Federal Credit Union card, you will need to explore other options in order to use this strategy or to play these cards. The secret weapon in this strategy is the Navy Federal Gold Prepaid card. This card is designed for budgeting and can be loaded with your Navy Federal credit cards. Any of them, the one that I mentioned before, except the one with the Amex ecosystem, like I mentioned, which effectively turns into a debit card with ATM access. This is the key to liquidating your credit lines into cash without incurring in cash advance fees. Here is how it works. You can load up to $10,000 on the Gold Prepaid card at any given time. You can then use this card just like any regular debit card, including making ATM withdrawal. While the daily withdrawal limit is $600, you can maximize this using multiple cards. Let's break down a little bit the process step by step. First, you will need to order the Navy Federal Gold Prepaid card. Once you have it, link your Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. You can load the card up to $10,000 at a time. But remember, the daily ATM withdrawal limit is $600. So if you are looking to maximize your cash withdrawal, consider adding multiple card holders. This will help you with this situation if that's what you want to do. Navy Federal Credit Union allows you to add up to 5 additional card holders, each with their own card, which can exponentially increase the amount that you can withdraw from the ATM in daily basis. For example, with 5 cards, you could potentially withdraw up to $3,000 per day or $90,000 in a month. While this strategy is incredibly powerful, there are some important details to keep in mind. First, this method does not incur cash advances fees, which is great. But you need to be aware of billing cycles and pay off your balances in full to avoid any interest charges. Treat your credit card as you normally would and make sure to manage your payments responsibly. That way you don't have any issues or you don't incur in late payments. So you have to play these cards really good and strategically. That way you don't get involved or get into a bad situation if you don't do it right. There are also some minor fees associated with the Gold Prepaid card that you need to be aware, such as $1 inactivity fee if no transactions are made within 6 months, and a potential ATM fees if you use out-of-network machines. So keep this in mind. However, these are minimal compared to the benefits you gain by having liquid cash available. But also you can double check about this, because if you call, I believe Navy Federal give you the benefit of they can take off those ATM fee if you call them and let them know, hey, there is some fees that is related to ATMs, and you can work that out. So with that being said, Navy Federal Credit Union Go Prepaid Card is an underrated tool that can help you turn your credit limits into cash. Whether you need cash for an investment, take advantage, or anything else that you might need, take advantage of a discount, or simply for an emergency, this strategy provides a flexible solution without the drawbacks of traditional cash advance or other solutions that you can find at the moment, or maybe you are experiencing at the moment some stress out, and I don't know, you find other ways, but it might incur in more fees, or it might be more difficult. So if you play this right and do it and use it responsibly and strategic, and be strategic, you will be good to go. Remember, always have a clear plan before liquidating your credit cards, and ensure you are managing your payments to avoid unnecessary interest. So always try to pay your balance on time. That way you can avoid late payments. That way you can not hurt your credit or anything like that. So just keep this in mind. This is pretty helpful if you play this right. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.